The top number of immigrants in Luxembourg is immigrants from Africa. And that means that the labor supply in Luxembourg right now, the top of the list of the continent that is topping in terms of labor supply, that is immigrants, foreign workers from all over the world, is Africans. And that should give you enough motivation to pursue opportunities in Luxembourg. I know there is quite a lot of controversy because English is not the first language if you want to move to Luxembourg, but that should not stop you because people are moving to countries like Germany as au pairs with even A1 basic certificates. People have previously moved to Luxembourg without them knowing any French, any Luxembourgish, any German language, any Italian language, and they have thrived. They have actually taught themselves these three main languages other than English when they are in Luxembourg. So, if you are looking for opportunities to move to Luxembourg as a domestic worker, as a childminder, as a caregiver, as a nanny, please do stick to this video because there is quite a lot of news that I have for you. I want to be explaining to you a step-by-step guide, a process on how you can secure yourself a work permit. Where are you going to apply for these work permits? How are you going to get these visas to move to Luxembourg? Where are you going to get these jobs? Because as I've been saying, it is very easy for you to get lost on watching a lot of videos and people are sharing quite a lot of information and you're trying to grasp as much as you can, but you're actually overwhelmed because you do not know who is saying the truth, where to start, and the information can be quite contradicting at times. Please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment. If you have any question, the comment section is always open. I'll be always here to answer your questions to best of my ability. So, Luxembourg is right now termed as per GDP capita to be the richest country in the world with a population of around 4 million. It is quite a good country, one of the best countries with the best infrastructures in the world, top-notch healthcare, very family-friendly, very good in terms of you moving with your family, in terms of healthcare, education for your children, and infrastructure in general. Luxembourg is known to take care of anyone who is a resident, whether you're coming from India, Philippines, Africa, name it. So, how are you going to secure these jobs? Where are you going to get? And what is required for you to be able to move to Luxembourg as a domestic worker, as a nanny, as a housekeeper, and as a childminder? So the first thing you need to do is you need a work permit. And the work permit is what helps you to process your visa. Work permits are either given online by the Luxembourg government or the consulate that you're in your country. Who is going to help you process your work permit? It is your employer. Mostly could be your host, that is if you're a nanny, if you're a caregiver, it could be those employers, or it could be companies that you're working for. So definitely it means for you to have a work permit, you need to have an offer letter. And that is where the bone of contention is because it is very easy for me to come here and tell you, guys, you know, when you have the offer letter, you can get your work permit. And I understand it is not very easy for you to get it as much as it is easy for someone to say that. I feel like most of the time people do not know where and how to go about websites. And on today's video, I will be linking all the websites, as many as you can, that you can get jobs in the domestic industry, in the caregiving industry in Luxembourg. Because as much as, yes, you'll need a work permit, yes, you'll need an offer letter, first of all, you need to apply to as many jobs as you can and apply and talk to as many recruiters as you can. And also I'll be giving you a tip that I do not share mostly on my videos, and that is to optimize your LinkedIn, because companies will always be wanting to check if you have a LinkedIn profile. Remember, we live in a very digital world, a world where if you're not present or your presence is not felt digitally, it is going to be very hard for you to secure jobs. It is very easy for you to send someone your CV, but that someone wants to see how you are doing digitally. And that is why I encourage people to get their hands on the book that I have written on how you can secure jobs abroad. It is an ebook that has 5 pages and it will show you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile by yourself. Because if you approach any company, if you approach any employer and tell them, I am a nanny, I am an au pair, I am a childminder, I am a domestic worker, I have done this and this, they want to come to LinkedIn to see who is this person, what are they, what skills do they have. Remember, professionally, they cannot come on your Facebook profile, on your Instagram profile. Professionally, the profile that any recruiter, any employer, any company will be looking at is your LinkedIn. So if you have a TikTok account, if you have an Instagram account, if you have a Facebook account, professionally, you should always have a LinkedIn profile, a profile that emulates your CV, and that means whatever is on your CV should be on your LinkedIn profile. And that means, or what that depicts is like, whatever your employer is seeing, whatever skills you're saying you have in your CV should be in your LinkedIn profile. So we have said you first at least need a work permit, and a work permit, the only way you're going to get it in either online or under different consulates or embassies worldwide, you need to at least have an offer letter. Other than that, you need to have a valid passport that is at least valid for 6 months, and with that, you are now ready to go. Where are you going to get these jobs? Because you need to know where to get these jobs. And the first most known website that you can get babysitting jobs, domestic jobs in Luxembourg is indeed.lu. Please don't just write Indeed, put indeed.lu. Reason, because it will show you all the jobs that are available in LU, and LU stands for Luxembourg. And once you go there, please do put a filter of Luxembourg or caregiving jobs in Luxembourg, caregiving jobs in that give visa sponsorship, because that way you'll be able to filter all the other professions that you do not, or you're not interested. If also you want to look for other very common known websites that you'll get jobs, look for jobs also at Glassdoor. Glassdoor is also known to be one of the best websites that you can look for jobs anywhere in this world. They have quite a range of jobs from in each and every country. You'll always find every country and every company in different countries, they're always advertising their jobs at Glassdoor. Another website that you can apply for jobs is LinkedIn. And also LinkedIn, please filter and put the location to be Luxembourg, and then look for jobs that are either in childminding, nanny, babysitting, caregiving. That way you'll get all the options that are available. And please do remember to optimize your profile as I have stated below. Another one that is very good, look for babysitting.lu, a very good website that I've talked to about in my videos, either live videos or here before. Babysitting.lu has over the years proven to be a very good platform for anyone who is looking for nanny jobs and housekeeping and domestic and child minding jobs. Another one that is coming up very well, I've interacted with the website quite a number of times, is warmhelp.lu. I will leave all the links to the websites down on the description box, because it is very vital for you at your own free time. Please go through each and every website, look for all the jobs that are available, and that is the only way you can be able to get for jobs. It is very easy for you to watch my videos and feel like you have all the information you require, but mine is sharing as much info as I can, and yours is going the extra mile of going through these websites, filtering as many jobs as you can, and applying to as many jobs as you can. Remember, the secret is always when you filter the jobs to add with visa sponsorship. That way you know you are applying for jobs that will give you visa sponsorship. Guys, Luxembourg and Finland are literally proving to be countries right now on a watch, because the way they are opening their doors to Africans, to immigrants, to foreign workers, they're actually giving Canada, Australia, and UK a run for their money. Definitely, they cannot compete too much in terms of population, because the other countries are very highly populated, but I feel like they are giving our brothers and sisters from all over the world good and equal chances for them to come to abroad, to look for greener pastures, to excel in different parts and skills in whatever industry that we feel are good for us. If you have not, please like this video, go down, go back, like, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are updated. Until next time, please do like, leave a comment, share. You'll help me grow this community. Be safe, keep safe, and see ya.